Good morning to one and all. My name is Vamshi. I am from the Triple E department, bearing door number 23955802226. Now I am discussing about a topic of patents and scientific papers. Coming to the introduction part of this patents and scientific papers, patents and scientific papers are key documentation in the dispensation of knowledge and innovation. They serve different purposes but are interconnected in the research and development process. Understanding their differences and relationship is essential for researchers and inventors alike. Patents are the scientific papers which they are the main key for the documents in which will demonstration of knowledge and innovation. And what are patents? Patents are legal rights granted to inventors for exclusive exploitation of their inventions, and they typically last for 20 years from the filing date, providing a temporary monopoly. And the patents encourage innovation by offering inventors financial incentives and protection. They typically last for 20 years from the filing date and also providing a temporary monopoly. And the water specific papers. Scientific papers are detailed reports of research findings published in academic journals, and they also main aim for that share knowledge, methods, and results with the scientific community. And scientific papers are non-exclusive and contribute to the collective progress of science. And they main aim to share knowledge and methods and the results with the scientific community. And there are some of the key differences between patents and scientific papers. Some of them there are patents focus on protecting inventions, while scientific papers aim to uh, disseminate knowledge. And the patents are generally confidential until field, whereas scientific papers are publicly available. The scope of patents is legal and territorial, and while scientific papers are globally accessible. This may be for patent focus on protecting invention, and the scientific papers may aim to protecting the scientific knowledge. And the patent application process. Inventors prepare a detailed description and claim of their invention for the patent office, and the patent examiners review the application to assess novelty and inventive step and industrial applicability. And once granted, patents provide exclusive rights to the inventor for a limited period. Publishing scientific papers. Researchers conduct experiments and also analyze data to prepare manuscripts for submission. As per the peer review, ensure the quality, validity, and originality of the scientific work. And also, accepted papers are published in journals, making finding accessible worldwide. And the timing and disclose. And patents require detailed disclosure but are kept confidential until filing. And scientific papers are published openly and often disclosing detailed methodologies and results. The timing of publication can include patent rights and vice versa. And the timing of publication can also influence patent rights and also the vice versa. And a patent and scientific paper interplay. Publishing scientific results before filing a patent can jeopardize patent rights in some jurisdictions. Conversely, filing a patent application before publishing can secure rights while sharing knowledge. Researchers often file patents and publish scientific papers to maximize impact and protection. And there are some of the patent citations and scientific lecturer. Patents often cite scientific papers to demonstrate the prior art or underlying research, and scientific papers frequently reference patents to acknowledge related innovation. And citations highlight the interconnectedness of scientific research and technological development. And there will be scientific papers which will be also frequently reference patents to acknowledge and related innovations for the new benefits of patents for scientific innovations. Patents can incentivize investment in research by securing exclusive commercial rights, and they also can facilitate technology and also transfer to licensing and partnerships. And a patent helps protect investments and encourage further scientific and technological advancement. These patents also protects the investors and also encourage the further scientific and advanced technology in the future which will comes, and also facilitate technology transfer to the licensing and also to the partnership also. And the benefits of scientific papers for patent development. Scientific publications provide foundational knowledge necessary for inventing new technologies. They help inventors understand existing technologies, avoid infringement. Publishing research can establish procedure and credibility in the scientific community. Challenges in balancing patents and scientific publishing. Timing the publication and patent filing requires strategic planning to protect intellectual property IP rights, and there will be excessive secrecy may hinder scientific progress while early disclosure can weaken patent rights, and navigating legal and academic priorities demands a careful coordination between inventors and researchers, and there will be some of the legal navigating which can also, and well the academic priorities demands which can be careful coordination between inventors and researchers also. Ethical and legal considerations. Researchers must consider the implications and of disclosing inventions before securing patents. Open sharing of scientific knowledge and also promotes progress but may impact commercial interest, and there are also legal frameworks vary across countries affecting how patents and publications are managed. And international patent and publication strategies. Different countries have varying rules regarding the timing and scope of disclosures, and a patent to cooperation treaty facilitates international patent applications, and also coordinated strategies are essential for global protection and dissemination of innovations. There are several different countries having the varying separate rules for this regarding, and there will be some of the specific scope for this patent rights, and there will be some of the patent. PCT is also known as patent cooperation treaty, which is the international patent application which will take the applications of the all of the which can apply the users from the to this international coordination strategies are very important for the global protection and also demonstration of many innovations. Case studies successful integration of patents and scientific papers. A biotech company published a scientific paper and filed a patent shortly after. This approach helped secure intellectual property rights while sharing research findings, and this case exemplifies the importance of strategic timing in patent and publication activities. This also approach helped secure many intellectual property rights while sharing the research findings. Future trends in patents and scientific publications. Increasing use of open access journals in making scientific knowledge more accessible. Patent landscapes are becoming more complex with advancements in AI and also in the data analysis. Collaboration between academic and industry continues to grow, blending patents and publication. And this patent landscape also becoming more complex with advancements in artificial intelligence, and also which will comes in data analysis, which is analysis of this data visualization also. And there will be some of the collaboration, it will be between academia and industry continues for the development of growth of blending and patents and publications. Impact on innovation systems. Effective integration of patents and scientific paper accelerates technological progress. It fosters an environment where knowledge sharing and protection coexist. Policymakers are promoting frameworks that balance innovation, incentives, and open science. Practical tips for researchers and inventors. Plan the timing of disclosures and patent filing carefully to safeguard rights. Keep detailed rights, records of research and invention deployment process. Seek legal advice to navigate the complexities of patent law and publication requirements. Summary and key takeaways. Patents and scientific papers serve complementary roles in innovation and knowledge dissemination. Strategic planning is essential to maximize the benefits and minimize risk. and it also understanding the legal and scientific landscape enhance the impact of research and inventions. Thank you.